Ethereum value equivalent to 36,068 rands a coin. The present cost range. 35,700 to 36,140. The earlier day close. 36,060. The change was +8, plus 0.02%. Converse rate. ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost 35,834 rands, high 38,342, low 33,326. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 35,739 rands, high 38,241, low 33,237. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 33,952 rands, high 36,329, low 31,575. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, November 23. Cost 34,707 rands, high 37,136, low 32,278. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, November 24. Cost 33,778 rands, high 36,142, low 31,414. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, November 27. Cost 33,534 rands, high 35,881, low 31,187. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 34,256 rands, high 36,654, low 31,858. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 33,746 rands, high 36,108, low 31,384. Ethereum estimate on Friday, December 1. Cost 37,113 rands, high 39,711, low 34,515. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, December 4. Cost 36,979 rands, high 39,568, low 34,390. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 36,695 rands, high 39,264, low 34,126. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 36,374 rands, high 38,920, low 33,828. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, December 7. Cost 36,761 rands, high 39,334, low 34,188. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost 37,176 rands, high 39,778, low 34,574. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, December 11. Cost 37,681 rands, high 40,319, low 35,043. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost 36,411 rands, high 38,960, low 33,862. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, December 13. Cost 37,163 rands, high 39,764, low 34,562. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost 37,505 rands, high 40,130, low 34,880. Ethereum figure on Friday, December 15. Cost 37,720 rands, high 40,360, low 35,080. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost 38,092 rands, high 40,758, low 35,426. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, December 19. Cost 38,051 rands, high 40,715, low 35,387. Ethereum cost expectation for WALK 2024. Before all else cost at 34,140 rands. Excessive cost 34,317, while low cost 29,827. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 32,589. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 32,072, change for spring 6.1%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 32,072 rands. Excessive cost 32,072, while low cost 27,199. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,147. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 29,246, change for April 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 29,246 rands. Exorbitant cost 30,724, while low cost 26,704. The found the middle value of cost 28,847. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 28,714, change for May 1.8%. Ethereum gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 28,714 rands. Excessive cost 33,198, while low cost 28,714. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,413. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 31,026, change for June 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 31,026 rands. Excessive cost 35,041, while low cost 30,457. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 32,318. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 32,749, change for July 5.6%. Ethereum figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 32,749 rands. Excessive cost 38,654, while low cost 32,749. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,069. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 36,125, change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 36,125 rands. Excessive cost 41,183, while low cost 35,795. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,898. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 38,489, change for September 6.5%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 38,489 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,772, while low cost 38,489. The found the middle value of cost 42,349. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 44,647, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 44,647 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,647, while low cost 37,973. The found the middle value of cost 42,025. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end